Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mirabel Family TV. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you will know if you have copyright claim on your channel or on your videos. So before the video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. So watch out. So the first you do, you just go to your YouTube studio. This is our YouTube studio. When you get to your YouTube studio, through your phone or through your laptop, anyone you choose to use is the same. So I'm using my phone now. So I'll be showing you. The first, you go to your YouTube channel, YouTube studio. Then when you get to your YouTube studio, you press on this three. You press this place. Then when you click on it, it will take you to your channel. Watch out. You see it's showing your channel, Mirabel Family TV. Then your own will be showing your name and your picture. So on this place, it's going to show you dashboard, videos, playlist, analysis, comments, subtitles, monetization, audio library. So this place, you are going to click on videos. When you click on video, the first place, it will be showing upload and live. Don't click on the live, just leave it on upload. So all your videos will be showing. You see our own now, all our videos are showing. Then you just screw it with your hands to this way. Then you see it will show visibility, restriction, and all these ones are not important. You see this visibility, it means that your videos are on public. The ones that are not on public, it will show private. So this one, the restriction that is showing here, that's where you will know if you have copyright. So when it's showing none, that means you don't have any copyright claim. If all your videos are none, you don't have to worry about copyright, then you don't have copyright. But when anyone is showing copyright claim, as you can see it, there's one video here, but you see it's on private. I put it on private because you already have copyright, so I don't think there's any need to leave it, because I just don't want to come and start editing, so I just put it on private. You see, when any video is showing copyright, you have to decide on what to do. If you have to put the video on private, or if you have to delete the video. So me, I choose to put it on private. So if you choose to put it on private, it will not affect anything, and the copyright claim will not affect you. So if you want to put it on public, then you have to do something about it. Like mine now is music that is causing the copyright. The music I put is a copyright music, is for someone, you understand? So if your own is music, you just have to click on the copyright claim. Then when you click on it, it brings out, you see, it said the video was found to contain copyright material. As a result, it cannot be monetized by the uploader. That is, this video, if I don't put it on private, whether I choose to put it on private or public, this video will not be monetized. So so you just click on the see details. Then when you click on see details, then it will bring out, so it will bring out this. So you see what is going to come out now. This place is showing not affected. It just means that this, if I leave it on public, it's not going to affect my channel, because there are some that can affect your channel, will give you a strike. So this one not affected, that means the copyright claim didn't affect my channel. But if it show affected, that means it give you a strike. That one is another separate thing. It's not the same thing. So if you have a strike, it's another different thing. So if it show affected, that means the particular video affected your channel, it gave you a strike. So here is showing private because I put mine on private. So if it was to be on public, here we show public. So here is showing ineligible. That means I will not be monetized on this particular video. The money I'm supposed to receive on this particular video will be paid to the owner of the music that caused the copyright, if I get any amount. So So if it's also music that costs your own, the music, the money they are supposed to pay you for the video will be paid to the owner of the music. If it's any other thing, say film or any other thing, many things can cause copyright. It's not only music. So anything that will bring about the copyright, the money that is supposed to be paid to you on that particular video will be paid to the person that owns the film or music or anything that caused the copyright. You understand? Okay, so let's go now. If it's music that caused the copyright, like mine, I'm talking about mine because it's music that caused mine. I don't know what is causing your own. So if it's music, just go down, scroll down, just select action. Okay, when you select action, you see these ones will come out. If it's music, trim out segments. You can trim it if you want. Then replace song. You can replace the song. You remove that copyright song and you replace it with other songs that are not copyright. There are other songs, many songs there are other songs that are not copyright. Then you can mute it. You can mute it. Then the song will not be playing again in the background. So these are the options. If you press mute, choose how to mute the claimed song. Mute all sound when songs play. Remove all sound in your video while claimed song plays. The option is usually faster and more likely to remove the claim. You see it? He said this option now is more faster and it will remove the claim. If you do it like this, that means the claim will remove. There will not be copyright claim again. So this one, I've not said this one. No. Okay. So the second one, mute song only. Remove the claim song only, keeping the rest of the sound. The option usually takes longer and might not work if the song is hard to remove. You see, that's to say there are two options here now. It's clear here. You see, it's clear written here. If you mute song only, it said this option might take longer and sometimes it might not remove. You understand? So the best thing is just to mute all the sound when song plays. Okay, so this one I just explained it is for you to decide on what to do. Then, but for me, I would prefer that it's either you put it on private or you choose the first option, because you can see it here now. It's written that it's more faster and more likely to remove the claim. That's to say you can remove the claim faster. So that is for copyright of if it's a song that is causing your copyright. So, but for me, I choose to put the video on private because I know copyright claims can cause it can affect monetization when you apply for your monetization. So that is why I just choose to put it on private. You understand? So anyone you choose to do is left for you. It's left for you to choose on what to do. If you want to put the video on private, or you want to delete the video, or you want to mute the song, or you want to trim it. So it's left for you to decide, but you have to be very careful to see if it affects your channel. That is where I told you that it will show affected. If it show not affected, that means it didn't affect your channel. But if it show affected, that means it affects your channel. So you have to know what to do before you apply for monetization. It's very important that you know if you have copyright or not. So I'm going to explain more on the things that can cause copyright claim on your video. So let's continue. Okay, now I'm going to be explaining more on copyright. What is copyright? In many countries, when a person creates an original work that is fixed in a physical medium, they automatically own copyright to the work. As the copyright owner, they have the exclusive right to use the work. Most of the time, only the copyright owner can say whether someone else has permission to use the work. That is to say, it's only the owner that can authorize you to use his or her music on your channel. If it's video, it's only the owner that can authorize you. So you don't have any right to use someone's music or to use someone's video or to use someone's film or anything that belongs to someone on your own channel, because you are not the main owner of that particular thing. That is what it's trying to explain here. Okay, let's go further. Which types of work are subject to copyright? That is, what kind of videos or things that can cause copyright. So let's go further. The first one, audiovisual works such as TV shows, movies, and online videos, sound recordings and musical compositions, written works such as lectures, articles, books, and musical compositions, visual works such as paintings, posters, and advertisements, video games, and computer software, dramatic works such as plays and musicals. All right, so as you can see, I try to bring out all this write-up so that you can see more on many things that can cause copyright. If you read it carefully, you will see that it's not only music that cause. At the beginning, I was thinking that it's only music that can cause copyright. No, when I got to read more, I saw that no, it's not only music. Now you can see there are many things that can cause copyright: videos, films, painting, many things, posters. As much as it's someone's work, someone did it, and you are taking someone else's work, so it's a copyright. Just try to read it and see, so that we'll be more careful when we are doing videos, and we'll be more careful on things that we put on our channel. It's not only that we cannot be monetized on them, it can cost, it can close down our channel, because when you have copyright claim, if it's too much, it can cost you a strike, and later it can cost you a strike. And when you have more than when you have 1 to 3 strike, so they can close down your channel, you see. So that is why we have to work more on copyright. Please, let's try to listen and see and read all those details, and you will see that there are many things that cause copyright, so that we can work on them. Thank you all. This is how much I know about copyright. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Bye.